everyone. So today I'm going for Abu Dhabi tour. So that person from Pakistan has come. His name is Jafri. So I am leaving for the tour right now. So today is 29th of May, Thursday. So it's a full day tour, Abu Dhabi tour, sharing basis. So I've just started from my hotel, so by a car, good car. So and we have to pick up some more people on the way. So before the departure point, that's what I have been doing from past 2 days. So it is a sharing basis, all packages here.
All air cargos coming. If someone need the parcel from air cargo, DHL, FedEx, and Aramex, other companies is available here.
Oh, okay.
Another side is a Dubai Terminal 2 is a domestic airport, domestic airlines.
Okay.
Terminal 2, Terminal 1 is domestic airline, and the Terminal 3 only for the Emirates. Emirates is the local airline of the Dubai government. It's a top 10 airline. Emirates is one of the good airline.
Thank you.
Now we are on the way. This is Sheikh Zayed Road.
Sheikh Zayed Road. Okay.
Sheikh Zayed Road means the father of the nation name, also Highness Sheikh Zayed Al Nahyan.
Okay.
And the rising day of the United Arab Emirates is the 2nd December 1971.
Okay.
And also they have the toll road.
Okay.
They have 6 toll gates on this road.
Okay.
Yeah.
आपका नाम sorry
Myself Jafri.
Jafri. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. You sent me a message.
No problem.
Nice meeting you, Jafri bhai, from
Me too, sir. Me too.
Faisalabad, Lahore.
Thank you.
I'm always happy to meet drivers from Pakistan because at least I can meet them here. I can't go to Pakistan.
Again, sir. I tell you, most welcome also. No problem. You are my best guest.
I heard that there is no lights on Sheikh Zayed Road. Is it correct?
Lights available.
So traffic signals. No traffic signals.
No traffic because highway.
Okay, highway.
That's why they put it the toll gates.
Okay.
Because you go through by through.
Oh, okay. No traffic.
That's why they put it the toll gate also.
Oh, okay.
And no one disturbs
So
you.
this road connects to all 7 Emirates, right?
Yeah.
This also goes to Muscat or only 7 Emirates?
They connect to the also other highway going to the Muscat.
Okay.
Or other. If you are going in this Sheikh Zayed Road, you can take exit Ras Al Khor exit.
Okay.
One of the road name Ras Al Khor. The highway name is 66.
Okay.
You connect to the Ras Al Khor. Ras Al Khor road will be connect to the Hatta Oman.
Okay.
Hatta Oman road you can take and you go directly to Oman.
Okay.
Salalah border.
Okay. Thank you. This is Al Maktoum Bridge.
Yeah, Al Maktoum toll gate.
Toll gate,
also.
okay.
Yeah, toll gate.
Is it automatic toll gate?
Automatic toll gate. You see one of the
Okay. How much it will deduct?
That time is 4 dirham.
4 dirham every
but
time.
The peak time 6 to 8 is 6 dirham.
Oh, okay. Al Ain, Jabal Ali, Abu Dhabi. This way.
Yeah, this is the way. Al Karama, the Bar Dubai.
Hatta is Muscat border, right?
Yeah, Hatta.
You can see Burj Khalifa from distance, but the sky is not clear, so that I don't know the reason.
Dusty weather today. Dusty weather.
Because of desert sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Al Karama, a lot of community from Kerala.
Okay.
And Tamil Nadu.
Mini Kerala.
Yeah, mini
Kerala, yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hello.
You can see Dubai skyline.
Okay.
One of the skylines. There are 3-4 skylines. So this and one marina is also big skyline. So this is Jumeirah going to Jumeirah and Abu Dhabi. Jumeirah is a place where locals live and where that
seven picture also.
7 kings. Okay.
Yeah,
7 Emirates kings.
Yes.
On one frame. Sorry. Hotel Sheraton, Hotel Conrad.
Dubai.
Yeah.
Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Ajman, Al Quwain.
Oh, okay, nice. Even they have tried to include Qatar and Oman also.
No. It's
That-
only 7 kings,
Seven.
7 states.
Oh,
From all royal families belong to royal family. नहीं वैसे तो सर इधर 3 महीना में ब्रिज रेडी कर देते हैं ये लोग विद इन 3 मंथ प्रोजेक्ट इज रेडी बट समटाइम्स सम आर्किटेक्चर इज डिफरेंट एंड वेरी
future museum. Yeah.
डिफिकल्ट
We are almost here, so just waiting for our bus to arrive to start our Abu Dhabi tour. Whole day Abu Dhabi tour. So from this Toyota vehicle, good vehicle, and we are shifting to that bus. So I have also accompanied by 2 passengers from Bangalore, couple. So shifting to this bus to Abu Dhabi. We have started our bus tour to Abu Dhabi. This is the main highway to Abu Dhabi. This is Abu Dhabi highway. So from front side I can't record video. That's why I'm taking the side view. It's good. These are tinted glasses. Bentley showroom you can see. Today sky is bit clear compared to yesterday. Yesterday was full of dust or smog. Infrastructure is very good here, like metro, highways, but roads are always busy with full traffic. So better to take metros and tram and monorail.
Good morning everyone. Perfect. So guys, now we are on our last stop. From here we need to pick one more shuttle, and we have a restroom break here. After this we will take another restroom break after 1 hour 15-20 minutes. So if anybody wants to get down here for the restroom, and if anybody wants to go for the grab something for eat, there is a supermarket. You can go there, you can use the restrooms. And if you want to eat something, so you can just go there. We have 15-20 minutes break here. Then after we will proceed for the temple. Right? So the bus will depart from the same place. So it's a 20-minute stop, guys. The restroom break. Next stop we will take after 1 hour 15-10 minutes. It depends on the situation of traffic. We might face traffic on the way sometimes, you know. So you can use the restrooms. You can go.
We are having restroom break here for 20 minutes. You can see Dunkin Donut shop, pharmacy shop in a petrol pump, petrol station. There is one more restaurant like Philly, I don't know what it is, and Pope's Louisiana Kitchen and Golden Heart Burger, one more fast food shop, Giant, and car washing, oil change. So 3 car washing, 3 or 4 manual washing, automatic washing. And this is a supermarket, a big supermarket. And this is car parking for maybe for supermarket and other restaurants. This is Burger King. See, beautiful Burger King inside seating. This is a petrol station. So in Dubai, I came to know that it is 1 liter is like 75 Indian rupees. That means like 80 cents, not even $1. So it is good. That is Sheikh Zayed Road, Abu Dhabi, going to Abu Dhabi. So we are just parking adjacent to the main road. And this is a Zoom Koi supermarket. Everything is available here, like drinks, juices, Pringles. This is a bakery inside the supermarket. Very nice bakery, excellent. There is a cash counter, so we can buy and pay amount in the cash counter. So I am going back to bus after taking the restroom break. You can see all the shops available here: Zoom, Pronto, Auto Pro, Popeyes, Burger King. So excellent display. Just we can check and if we can go enter if you want anything. So that is a metro line, Dubai metro line. There are 2 metro lines here. One is green and one is red. Green goes only within the core city and red goes bit outskirts, like other than core city. And also the monorail here which goes to Palm Jumeirah Islands, and also tram which goes to Jumeirah and other where that metro is not connected. So these three public transport just I want to explore tomorrow and day after. I have 2 more days, full days, and on Sunday I have to check out hotel around 12 o'clock and my flight is at 3 o'clock. So I have time till 12 o'clock, like 11:30, so I can spend. So I just want to fully utilize my time and I can take rest when I go back to my home country, home city. So now I don't want to take any rest. So that is my plan. So this is Sheikh Zayed Road in Dubai. Very important road. It connects important 7 Emirates and it goes via heart of Dubai. So connects different places, important places in Dubai. And also you can see all skylines. One more skyline here. I will just spend some time here, maybe a few minutes, few seconds. You can see metro is coming and you can also see our bus coach which is taking us to Dubai, Abu Dhabi today, Abu Dhabi full day tour. So in Abu Dhabi full day tour, they will cover one Swaminarayan Mandir and one mosque and other important places. So guide will tell us what are the places we are going to visit. And I heard that they don't provide any lunch, but they stop at a restaurant. So we have to buy lunch on our own. And this is Dubai for you. This is today, weather is a bit clear compared to yesterday.
Guys are already taking a nap. They're already sleeping. I can understand because it's gonna be the long day. It will be the long day, guys. Around 9 o'clock, 9:30, we will reach back in Dubai. Again, it depends on the situation of traffic also. We might face traffic on the way. So, yes. And the second most important thing about the traffic, guys, so whenever we will give the time, please follow the timings and instructions given by my company and by me, because it's a sharing based tour. It's not exclusive private tour, have to cover all that day. We have to cover all that day within the specified time given by my company. Because somebody they may have another plans in the evening also, return back to Dubai. Like they may have return flight or the Burj Khalifa tickets. Like this kind of commitments they already committed. So that is why our company decided all the attractions timing pre-planned. Okay. So please follow the timings. I'm repeating again, I'm requesting again because I'll just wait only for you guys 10 minutes. Let's suppose I'm giving you the time from the temple 12 o'clock. 12:10 I'll be there. 12:10 I'll be there. After 12:10 we'll have to move from the location. So you have to join me in the location to get taxi. Okay? Yes, you can get the taxi from anywhere. Easy. Alright? Because this is the company policy, you have to follow this policy. I hope you guys will understand. Thank you so much. So while traveling, walking is not allowed inside the bus. While traveling, walking is not allowed inside the bus. If you have any kind of query, just call me. I'll come on your seat. Then I will resolve your query on your seat. And whosoever is sitting on your seat, it's a fixed seat now. Please don't change your seat with the other one. You can change your seat with the vacant one. Okay? Alright? And we will give you the 2 water per person a day also. Alright? Any other question? No question? Okay, fine. Yes. Mosque? Last stop. Sheikh Zayed Khan Mosque. Alright, so the distance you guys knows already, timing you guys knows already, duration. Again, it will take 1 hour 7 minutes to reach our first destination in Abu Dhabi temple. Now you can take some rest, you can take some nap. Once we reach our first destination in Abu Dhabi, I will give the wake up call. Then we will start Abu Dhabi city tour. Okay? Happy now? Yes. So the good night for now. See, they have already gone. Thank you.
Nothing else. We are almost out of Dubai city now, and you can see the desert. I think they are building some township here, but it is very hard, tough to work in the desert, like in 50 degrees centigrade, 52, 53. They are saying May is the starting month for summer. So May, June, July, August, September, 5 months it will be too much of heat, summer, hot, very hot. We can't survive here unless it is AC.
Dhabi, close to Abu Dhabi. This is Al Rafa School, very big school. So all new buildings coming up, villas, individual houses. You can see another big maybe tower or businesses. So it just started 15 minutes back. All the building construction activity along this road. See the new buildings, under construction buildings. It is just looking like India, this area, any other city or town in India. But infrastructure is excellent. You don't see the highway. You can see Swaminarayan Mandir from here, front side. So we are almost there.
We have parked our vehicle bus there, and tickets already booked by agent, tour guide. So you can see the hot. It's very hot, very very hot, and we are just entering. I am entering into the temple. So this is the main entrance. They could have put bus parking close to the temple, or at least underground somewhere close to temple, but I don't know, it is very far. But it is their decision. We can only suggest, or we can only think about it, but it is up to them to follow. But this temple was built by 6,000 volunteers from South Africa, US, UK, all other places. It is one of the biggest, I think, in these 7 Emirates, and I think is one of the biggest Hindu temple. This Swaminarayan temple, actually Swaminarayan is from Gujarat, so mainly Gujaratis, they follow him. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.